रिपोर्ट कर रहे हैं मलक मोहम्मद इमरान अमान। SSP पेट्रोलिंग पुलिस रीजन जुबैदा परवीन के अहकामात पर अमल करते हुए पेट्रोलिंग पुलिस फैसलाबाद के मुख्तलिफ तलीमी इदारों में पुलिस की हेल्पलाइन 1124 के मुतल्लिक आगाही लेक्चर्स का इनेकाद किया गया। इंचार्ज मोबाइल सब इंस्पेक्टर रिजवान भट्टी ने तुलबा को लेक्चर देते हुए कहा कि पंजाब भर में किसी भी हाईवेज पर पेट्रोलिंग पुलिस शहरियों के तहफ़्फ़ुज़ के लिए हर वक्त मौजूद हैं। मज़ीद तफ़सीलात के लिए रिजवान भट्टी से मुलाहिज़ा फरमाएँ।
इस वक्त जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट फैसलाबाद है जहां हम अभी बैठे हैं वो उसकी 22 पेट्रोलिंग पोस्ट है और हर पेट्रोलिंग पोस्ट का जो बीट एरिया है जहां वो गश्त करते हैं
instructions because road signs, road signals, they are silent speakers because and the most important thing that you should know what the road signs is telling you. Besides road signals, there are 3 traffic signs, road signs. Might you have knowledge about that? You will witness that on the road side, there are 3 road signs. One is compulsory, that is in round.
Yes.
You should visualize when you travel back to home, there is a round road sign. That means that is compulsory. The information on that, like if there is a 50, you should know that the speed on that road should be 50, and then is a warning sign like triangle. That is a warning sign that told you that in front of you that after 200 yards there is a roundabout, there is a U-turn. Okay, and a third is square. That gives you information. Okay, that it is good to have visual over here to that is better to understand you. But here I just know that it is good to know about road signs, the helpline of Punjab Highway Patrolling Police, and the best of all that you have interaction with the uniform police. At least you know that there is a Punjab Highway Patrolling Police that is present on the highways, and they are there to help you, to protect you from dangers. Okay? Which is the road from bridge, overhead bridge, underpass, there is a zebra crossing or pelican crossing. So what I have communicate with you to cross the road, anybody can come.